Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to recover your Yahoo account password. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now, you might be on the sign in page on Yahoo on your iPhone, maybe your Android phone or computer, it works the exact same. Or you might be on yahoo.com here, and you can tap on the sign in button at the top right. Now, the first thing that we need to do is if you don't remember the password, you can always choose to reset it or get customer support to be able to reset it. But you need to first enter in your username. Your username is just your email address. So in my case, I'm going to enter in my username here. And after I've done that, I'm going to hit the next button. Now, in my case, it just tries to autofill, but keep in mind the next step, it will say, do you have a face, a fingerprint, or a PIN to be able to sign in? If you don't, that's perfectly fine. We can hit the try to sign in another way. And then it will ask you for that password. But in this case, we don't know what the password is, and we can recover it easily just by tapping on Forgot Password here. Now, you'll be able to see it says select a method to basically get that password or to reset it. You can either get an email sent to you to a recovery email address, a text message to your phone number, or even a WhatsApp code sent to you. Keep in mind, all of these are the recovery information for your phone, essentially the phone number and email address that you have tied to your Yahoo account or your Yahoo email. If you have any of these, you can just tap on it and it will just text you that code. However, if you don't have that, it's perfectly fine because there is another way to be able to recover it. We can hit select another option and call customer support. You'll be able to see all I need to do is call 1-800-741-7610. And I'm going to tell them this code at the very bottom here. Essentially, what this allows me to do is to call Yahoo customer support and then allow them to walk me through steps to be able to recover my account even if I don't have that password. Now, keep in mind, when you do call that customer support on Yahoo, it says, please have your driver's license available for expedited handling. So you do need a driver's license or some kind of photo ID to verify you are the owner of that account. And keep in mind, in some instances, Yahoo might require you to pay for a premium subscription to be able to do this beforehand, so you might need to pay some money. However, if you don't have that, again, you can always go through the process of recovering your account either by tapping on Forgot Username or Forgot Password, and then just getting that text message or email code sent to you to get back into your account. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below and leave a comment if you just have any questions. Thanks, guys.